so many losses. Now we drop diamonds and crosses. Catching the hour, she crosses. Smoking that gas and I'm coughing. Put me like 3 in the wood, I feel awesome. Come take a seat. I'm sitting in the car right now. My boy Built by Petty over there getting his, about to get his exhaust put on. He got the Borla exhaust. Catback. And hopefully they got time. We're gonna throw these motherfuckers on. I think it's time to make me a deposit. Too much money in my pocket. Bag on me and it's blowing like a faucet. Rocket on me for them. I can watch it. I ain't trying to air it out. I'm just trying to get some money.
It's got a better tone. Yeah. Give it a second. When it warms up a little bit. It'll start loading here in a second. Yeah. But after financing about 40. That's not bad. Right. Oh yeah. Ah. I ain't worried about you hitting it, brother. You got the money to pay for it. Yeah, that shit sound good, bro.
Hey, they gonna pull yours in that other battery.
Okay. Bet.
There it goes. Starting to load.
You feel it too, don't you? Good. That new exhaust smell, boy.